It's never too late to try something new, start a new hobby, or find something within yourself you didn't know was there. Want to get your hands a little dirty to find out? We know just what to do and where to find it, starting here at the Banana Factory in Bethlehem. Formerly a banana distribution warehouse, the Arts Center features 63,000 square feet of space that is home to 30 resident artist studios, 3 galleries, the Hot Glass Studio, multiple classrooms, and the Olympus Digital Imaging Center. The building also houses the Pennsylvania Youth Theater, the Pediatric Cancer Foundation, and Santa Bannon Fine Art. This is where you'll discover a wide range of visual arts classes for children, teens, and adults. Whether you're an aspiring artist or a seasoned veteran, there's a program you're sure to love. Explore glass blowing, clay, jewelry, or one of the many other mediums that are available. Browsing the always changing galleries of art by local and worldwide artists is also a fan favorite here. The first Friday of every month is sure to impress. Be sure to make your plans to be here at the Banana Factory from 6 to 9 as they celebrate with glass blowing, demonstrations, open studios, and more. It's where you can see artwork come to life or create your own to take home. Over in Easton, the market on Northampton Street hosts a variety of unique vendors and eateries, like Silver Shell Counter and Kitchen. Patrons love that the owners brought their New England-style clam shack to Easton and are excited for all the new offerings they bring to the table. Among those offerings is oyster shucking. Join the team on select Saturdays to learn the proper technique for popping open these delicious treats from a skilled team. Attendees will enjoy 12 oysters along with bubbly, as well as receive a shucking bag that includes a shucking knife, a cut glove, and a recipe to take home. All classes begin at 10 a.m. and occur in front of Silver Shell Counter and Kitchen in the Easton Public Market. Whether you love oysters or never had the courage to try them, maybe it's time to dig in, and be sure to watch out for those pointy edges at our next stop. Warner Art Glass Center will satisfy the senses with an incredible display of handmade art glass pieces from around the world. There's amazing eye candy from floor to ceiling and fun for the entire family. Plus, you'll be amazed as the talented glass blowers create lavish works of art right before your eyes. Learn how to create your own handmade gifts and masterpieces, as all instruction at Warner Art Glass Center is free of charge. And bonus, cameras and selfies are encouraged. One of the world's leading art glass suppliers, Warner Art Glass Center, has been serving glass artisans for over 30 years. It's conveniently located right next to the Lehigh Valley Mall and Whitehall Mall, placing you right in the middle of a shopper's paradise. Got a group who wants to go? Call ahead and Warner Art Glass Center can make special considerations. These hands-on activities will push you out of your comfort zone and into a world of possibilities. The arts are a big deal in Lehigh Valley. Immerse yourself. I'm Holly Harrow with Discover Lehigh Valley, and that was a peek at the Valley.
To watch more of The Peak, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram.